Hey everybody, Christopher Nejman. Well, I have been making these clutch wallets. They call this the NCW, and my clients have been asking for a clutch wallet for quite a while, or a crossbody bag, so I decided, I think this is the year I'm going to do it for them, because they wanted some smaller bags to go with their bigger bags that they buy from me. So I decided to start making them, and now I'm addicted to them. Oh my God. So these are in production. They're not finished. And the reason why the rubber band is around is to help mold it. It just helps give it a nice little mold and keep it in shape. So this is a nice one I'm making here. This is a leopard. And this is a different type of leopard right here. This one, these are all leather, by the way. These are all leather. It's just beautiful. Look at this one. The insides are not done yet, but I could show you, like, give you a sneak peek. This is like really nice. Everyone's got a different color, so this is nice because it molds with it. And the rubber band on. I watched a gal on YouTube that gave it to, I watched several tutorials on this, and I found the one gal, she did a really good job tutorial on this, and I love her camera angles too. She's got some good camera technique. I'll put a link to her video below this video in the description on YouTube here. And then here's this. Of course, I added my own thing. I'm making my own thing, changed the design, decided to change the design here. See how that looks. This one's got a red lining inside. And here is this, which is really nice. I did silver stitching. This one also has the red lining. These are so much fun. And then this one, beautiful. This one's beautiful. This has got a red lining, as you can see inside. The card slots are not done yet. I don't have those done yet. I'm doing all the shells right now. I'm making all the shells. When you're doing production sewing, you do one step at a time, basically. So I'm doing all the shells first. I got many more cut out that I'm doing the shells for. For example, here's one here, and I decided, I found this clasp that I thought would look really great, a big clasp like that. And this one's got a protective coating on it, so, but when you peel that off, but I thought that nice silver clasp would look good with this one, this red one. But yeah, I wanted to share this with all of you because I know some of you are. And this one here on the inside, I tried doing a leather lining. Isn't that cool? Isn't that beautiful? Alright, so I hope this inspires everybody to get their Christmas gifts ready. And these are clutches from my resale. Alright, enjoy sewing, everybody. Just want to give you a little peek and inspire all my fellow sewers out there. Alright, take care.